Hi everybody, it's Travis with christihublerchevy here in Crawfordsville, Indiana. I'm going to show you our 2022 Chevy Equinox Premier all-wheel drive. It is a beautiful car and we have a great asking price for the vehicle. I say you guys check it out, right? We're rocking 81,212 miles on the dash. Try to get that a little bit more clear for you guys, see? And then as you see, you just have a generic front screen. This options right here will tell you kind of what you got going through. You can cycle through them, through your music, where you're at, your phone, settings, all that stuff. You have options to all those things. Right here on your left hand side of the steering wheel, you have lane departure and a heated steering wheel as well. Everybody loves the heated steering wheel. I personally enjoy it myself in my own vehicle. And then you have your cruise options right here. On your right hand side, as you see, we have all your options for you to, like I said, control your front screen with this. And here's how you answer and deny phone calls. Here up front, right behind your left hand side of the steering wheel, that's how you control your volume. And then on the right hand side of the steering wheel, that's how you control your station. Like I said, guys, if I can show you, I'll try to show you the button. All right, so then as I go here is your front screen. It's slightly larger because this is a Premier option. It's the highest trim you can get in the Equinox. Beautiful options, as you guys see, of OnStar, the My Chevy app, which will set you up with, has a camera on it if you guys wanted to, so you can see. You have a backup overview camera. You can see behind you. It shows you what's in front of you, hitch view, side panel view. You have every single view for safety to see what's around you. I mean, you don't want to hit anybody, especially if you get into like Walmart or wherever, a crowded space, then you're perfect. You have every availability to make sure that you get safe and secure into where you're going. Down here is your climate control options. And then as you see here, here's your shifter. Up front here, uniquely, we have your parking brake. And then that is a wireless charging station. Then here's your front center console, plenty of space, and we walk a black leather with a brown stitch. All right, guys, let's get out and check the outside of the vehicle out. I'm gonna shut the door. As we see outside here, this Equinox is very beautiful. I love the rim set to it. It has a very comfortable feel. If this is a family vehicle you guys are looking for, it's perfect. You have kids, perfect. It's a great match. Let me show you guys here the space inside the back as we open up the hatch. Plenty of space, guys. You have a 60-40 split on your seats, which means as we press these buttons here, boom, that goes down, boom, and that as well. And it opens up your cargo space to have plenty. Right under here, as you guys see, here's some more space. Right under this here is your spare tire. As I said, guys, this vehicle is all-wheel drive, automatic liftgate. You have the availability from your key fob as well. I'll finish this walk around real quick, guys. I've been on here for 3 minutes. I apologize. Thank you for the wait. Thank you for the patience. Travis Emmert, christihublerchevy. Reach out to me, number 765-946-4005. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon. Stay blessed.